Hello guys, once again welcome back to Darkwool VFX Studio. In this video we are talking about how to create this type of text animation using DaVinci Resolve Studio. First step, go to Media Pool and right click here and create a new Fusion composition. Click that. Here you can give a name, Fire Text. Now change the frame rate. Click here and choose a frame rate of 60. Then click on Create. Now you can see a new file on your Media Pool. That is our Fire Text. That's a Fusion composition. Just drag it to our timeline. Easy. The first step is completed. If you like to buy this product, you can drag it from your FX titles, then drag it to our timeline. Easy. This is one of our product. You can purchase it from our website. Also, you can purchase this product too. Just WhatsApp to this number or come to Instagram. Both links are given in the description. Now we can go to our Fusion page. Click the Fusion icon and go to Fusion page. Here you can see a node media out. That is come with default. Now we can start the process. Click here and use the shortcut Shift Space. Now you can see a menu is appear like this. Here you can search text. After searching, you can see an option text plus. Click that and add to our workflow. You can also add the text file from here and drag to our workflow. Okay. After that, click on text node and go to inspector. In inspector, you can see an option text. In text option, you can type something like this. I add a name KGF. After that, you can connect the text node to media out. Great. Now you can drag the media out to viewer, or you can click the media out and use the shortcut 2. Okay. Now you can adjust the size of our text. For that, click on text node and come to inspector text. Here you can see an option size. I adjust the size like this. By clicking here, you can change the font type. I choose a font Rockwell. Now go to the shading section. Click that and choose the option operation to this icon. Now you get a text like this. Here you can increase the thickness of the text border. I used a value 0.05. That's enough. Now we can go to the second step. The third step is creating particle emitters. For that, add a particle emitter from here, or you can use the shortcut Shift Space, then search P emitter and click the button Add. Now we can connect the text node to particle emitter, but there is no input connection in particle emitter. No problem, we have a solution for that. To do that, click on P emitter and go to inspector. Here you can see an option region. Click that and change the region sphere to bitmap. Easy. Now you can disconnect the connection from media out and add a new pipeline to P emitter. Okay. After that, you can connect the P emitter pipeline to media out. That is not possible. But we have a solution. Now click on P emitter and add a node P render. Okay. Particle render. After that, you can connect the P render to media out. Easy. Now click on the P emitter and go to inspector. Here you can change the number 10 to 8000. Okay. After that, you can see the text is much visible now. Now click on the P emitter and add a node P directional force. Add that. Now click on the P directional force and go to its inspector and change the direction to 60 degree. Now add a P turbulence node in between P render and the P directional force. For that, click that P directional force and Shift Space, then add the node. Now go to the inspector and change the X value and the density. Just add a value. We have an option to change it later. Now back to the P emitter and go to inspector. Here we can adjust the lifespan. It's now 100. Change it to 6. After that, change the lifespan variance to 20. Now we can add a Gaussian blur after P render. And we can just set like this. Okay. Now we need to add a background for clear view. For that, add a background node from here, or search and add a background node. Connect that to output of Gaussian blur. Here we get a merge node. Right click on merge node. Choose the option swap input. Okay. Now just play. We get a nice effect. Okay. Now we can add a fast noise to our workflow. Now click on that and open the menu and add a node glow. Now we can connect the glow output to our Gaussian blur output. Okay. We get a nice merge here. After that, we can change the fast noise settings. Click on fast noise and go to inspector. Here we can change the details to 10 and we can adjust the brightness and the contrast. I can reduce some contrast and the scale become 20 and the seed rate we can add it to 5. Okay. Now go to the color section. Here we can change it to color to gradient. Click that and click the first point. Here we can change the color to red. Okay. After that, click here, change the value to 0.3. After that, click on this point and change the value to yellow. We can add a yellow color here. I think this is enough. Okay. Now come to the merge. Go to the inspector. Here we can see an option operator. Change the over settings to in. Now we can play the video. We get a nice effect and we can change the settings now. Go to glow. Change the glow value. Just like this. After that, go to merge and add a sharpen node. Sharpen. Add the sharpen and change the amount a little forward. Now click on the fast noise node and adjust the brightness like this. Now adjust the contrast to 0 and the brightness is 0.08. In final, we can see all the values of nodes. First, go to text. Here we can add a thickness of 0.025. Okay, that's enough. I change it 5 to 0.25. Now back to text. Here I added a value 0.25 on size. Okay, that's enough. Now come to P emitter. Here I added a value 7,000. Okay, that's enough. Go to lifespan. Here I added 6. In lifespan variations, I added 10. Okay. Now go to the velocity. It's 0.025. In region, I added bitmap. Come to P direction. The direction is 60 degree. The strength becomes 0.1. Okay. Now in turbulence, random speed equal to 250. Okay. And the X strength 0.5. The density become 50. Go to the Gaussian blur. We can add a blur of 0.25. Okay. After that, go to this merge and change the operator to in. Now go to the fast noise. Here we added the details to 10. The contrast becomes 0. The brightness becomes 0.09. Okay. The scale becomes 20. Seed rate 0.5. Okay. Change the color like this. In gradient, in glow, we added a glow of 15. The glow becomes 0.8. After that, go to the sharpen. Here we added a sharpen of 8.5. I change it to 9. Okay, that's enough. You can play the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in next time.